Think about this. Invest by owning real estate in the metaverse. I have never in my dreams thought I would be talking one day about purchasing real estate in the metaverse, but here we are. People are actually scrambling to buy virtual land. Yes, virtual, meaning it lacks tangibility and doesn't exist in the physical world. You technically can't see nor touch it, but folks are paying tens of thousands of dollars to own one. And if you want to know how to buy real estate in the metaverse, then welcome to my consulting channel. I'm Michael Tadros, the professor. I have a diversified experience for many years working as a consultant for startup businesses and entrepreneurs, as well as a project manager for agile, scrum, lean and conventional projects. Now, if you are ready, let's get to it. You may think it's crazy, but that online petrol station pays out weekly passive income yielding $16,000 a month. The Polka City gas station is currently sold out, but don't worry, there are other digital real estate options up for grabs inside Metaverse, such as Sandbox, DECENTRALAND, and more. The hottest Metaverse platforms for purchasing virtual real estate are Sandbox and DECENTRALAND. For both apps, you will need to download a Chrome extension called Metamask, an online wallet designed to hold digital assets. Next, you must fund it with either Sand for Sandbox plots or Mana for DECENTRALAND properties. They are both two Ethereum-based cryptocurrencies. Once your Metamask wallet is sufficiently funded, you are ready to shop for virtual real estate. First, let's dive into how to purchase plots on Sandbox. Number 1. Go to the sandbox.com/game. Number 2. Click on Market. Number 3. On the left panel, scroll down to NFT type and click on Lands. Number 4. Choose the filter that best fits your need. Newest, oldest, lowest price, highest price. For now, I'll be selecting lowest price. Number 5. Select the plot of land that catches your eye and click on Buy. Number 6. After clicking Buy, OpenSea, the NFT marketplace, will launch, taking you to the property listing. Here, link your funded Metamask wallet to the site by clicking on the wallet icon. It seems it's a little bit complex, but you can find here a video in my channel about how to set up a Metamask wallet. Number 7. Take note of the highest offer, as you will need to outbid it to get the seller's attention. So click on Make Offer. Number 8. Input how much you would like to offer in Sand. Make sure you have enough Sand in your Metamask wallet or you will get a message not enough Sand to make offer. Also note, you can buy Sand on Binance or Qcoin and transfer it to your Metamask wallet. Number 9. Select how long you want your offer to last. 3 days, 7 days or a month. If you prefer, you can set a custom date. Click on Make Offer. Number 10. Your Metamask wallet will pop up and you will be promoted to click on Sign. This is to validate your intention to make an offer on the OpenSea listing. Number 11. Finally, you should see your offer appear under Offers. If your offer gets accepted, you will be noticed by email. Now, it's the time to dive into how to purchase plots on DECENTRALAND. Number 1. Go to DECENTRALAND.org. Number 2. Scroll down to Trade and click on Start Browsing. Number 3. Click on Sign In followed by Connect. Number 4. Click on Metamask. This will allow the website to see the funds inside your wallet. Please note, if you got a couldn't connect to wallet error, click on the Metamask icon on Google Chrome and click on Next followed by Connect. Number 5. Click on Land, located on the top left corner. Number 6. You will land on a page that shows you a map of DECENTRALAND. Here, all the plots that are on sale are highlighted in light blue. Number 7. Click on a plot of land that has a price and location to your liking. Number 8. Finally, click on Buy and follow the prompts to the plot of land. Now, I believe you have a good idea about how to buy real estate in the metaverse using Sandbox and DECENTRALAND platforms. I would suggest you to watch another video here about what is the role of NFTs in the metaverse. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please press subscribe, like and share with others you know. Also, you can leave your feedback, questions or suggestions for future videos. I will be more than happy to reply and assist you. I look forward to talking to you at my next video. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.